50% quarantine. And I'm your host. You should know my name. Again, if you didn't watch the past 2 episodes, 2! That's a lot. You better go check those out now. Like right now. Today, we'll be making a circle bread covered in cinnamon sugar filled with jelly. Sounds good, right? Let's get started. We have rising crumbs of flavored salt rock, flour, what is it? Liquid! 2 circular motions. I don't know if I should be shaking them. Oil, more flavored salt rock, and sugar. Big bowl of sugar. And cut knives. And a bowl. Big bowl. Large bowl. Big bowl. You know what I forgot? What are these called? Cup measure. Someone likes that. Okay. In a large bowl, you're gonna combine your hold up. You're gonna combine your flour, your sugar, and your yeast, and your salt. If you don't have salted butter, but we have rock salt, of course. So, if we need flour, 1 cup of flour. Sugar. So, as you might have known, probably don't, but my quarantine is 50% over. 50% is opening. 50% isn't, so that sucks. 2 and 1/4 teaspoon of rising crumbs. Close that again. Oh shoot. Nothing happened. Don't mind it.
You said don't mind it.
No. That's not fair. And now we add our milk, which we need to put on the oven. I would get like the smallest container I could get because you only need to warm up 2/3 cup of... Ow! What the heck? I was planning not to get hurt this episode. Paparazzi. Lactose intolerant. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh my god. So, I've been letting that sit on medium heat for like 2 minutes and it's already kind of like warm. But look at this! Come on. It should be warm. Do you see that little wrinkles? See them? You don't want that. Do you see that? See that? It's like a blanket. You don't want that.
Disgusting.
If you keep that in your milk, it's so good. It's just really gross. I think I can melt my butter now. Wash your hands. Wash them. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Guys, look at my new microwave. Admire the microwave. Amazing. I also can't reach the microwave because this microwave doesn't fit here because it's too big. So I have to tip it. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I don't think I'll burn myself. You know what else you need? Not 2 circular motions, 2 yellow circular motions. You just can't pop it. You just wiggle it. Jiggle, wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Then you need your liquid. Shake it, shake it, shake it. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. I'm gonna shake it. See what happens. Try something new. 1/4 teaspoon. Oh yeah, it's right here. Stop it. Okay, mix. So you're gonna mix it till smooth. I guess this is smooth. I think that's smooth. Get all the dough off your whisk. And then put it somewhere. And then you're gonna get your plastic wrap. If I do this, it will inflate.
School.
Last day of
I did.
No, you didn't.
I said last day of school.
There's
Common sense. Use your noggin.
Noggin?
Yeah, use your noggin.
I don't know what that is.
You're good. Stupid.
What? Oh, it's been 2 minutes.
Hours.
I said 10 minutes.
Infuriated.
It's been 2 minutes, I think. That's a lot of work, I mean.
You're the one that's difficult.
That's it.
Are you gonna answer my question or not? Now that you get it.
Oh, right, I forgot about that.
How was your last day of school?
How or what? How was my last day of school? I don't remember. It's been 10 minutes since we let it sit. I don't know if that's supposed to have it stinks. My God. I don't like the smell. I don't like it. We're gonna add the remaining flour, which is 1.5 cup of flour. So one of these. If you can't do math, let me show you. Let's come over to the flour. Move all your bay leaves, right? Spaghetti leaves out. Cool. And then you're gonna go 1. I didn't get enough. 1. Then you're gonna get your sifter. I'm gonna do that now. I've learned from the past that you gotta sift. You just have to, because if you don't sift, it's gonna be gross. So come on over.
Ugh.
Oh my God. Okay. And you sift. This is 1 cup, okay? Remember, what I'm doing right now is 1 cup. Then you come back over, and then you just get it to the middle. See this little line? That's the middle. That's where you want, that's how much flour you want. Check. Too much. Not enough. That's good. Did you see that? That's good, I think. This is 1/2 cup. Just gonna keep mixing until all the flour is combined. And then you're gonna knead it for 5 minutes. Don't get your spoon. It's so weird. The camera looks like it has a little eye and it's really creepy. Oh look, can you guys see it? We can't. So I kneaded it for around 5 minutes, and this is how mine looks like. I don't know what your looks like. This is what mine looks like. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. This is what mine looks like. and I rolled it like this, and like I guess, or like I went like this. Yeah. So you don't over knead it, because that's bad. I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna take the plastic wrap that we used from before. Cover it. It has flour on it. Should I have done that? I don't know. Maybe I should put it over there. Oh shoot. Now it's all clumsy. Oh no. Oh my God. I don't want to over knead. It's okay, because it's okay. Oh my God. I might have to get a new one. Oh my God. Why is this so difficult? So I covered it with plastic wrap, and you put it in room temperature, which is basically your warmest room, but not too hot, for 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Let's talk about Outer Banks. You just watched the first episode. How do you feel about it?
So I watched the first episode of Outer Banks, and I wasn't intrigued. Okay, It's not like it wasn't bad, but I mean, it wasn't my taste. There we go. It wasn't my cup of tea. The first episode, it wasn't. Let me tell you why. These two people, they made weird faces. That's how one of them was. I feel like for 10 episodes, and the first episode didn't really go anywhere. I'm saying, this is a lot of controversy. I'm saying like, okay, let me explain. Let me explain myself, okay? So, I just think that if that first episode was like that, and it was an hour, but it could have been contracted into like 30 minutes, I didn't need to know about a party. I didn't need to know about, because I had a party, I beat up or something. I didn't have to show like the whole party. You know, I just feel like there's like long clips of things I don't need to see. I feel like it could be contracted into a movie, like those whole 10 episodes. Even though I haven't watched like the whole 10 episodes, that's how I think. If the first episode is like the 10 episodes, I think it could be contracted into a movie. The whole episode was just leading up to like the compass was done. That's it. I mean, like one little detail that could have been like 3 main events, 1 main event in 1 episode. 1 hour long, an hour long to get to 1 main event. I'm just not intrigued. Maybe it'll get better for me. It's also their faces. They're not like ugly. They're just like make weird faces. And they have to say their words. That's it. So I'll see you guys. I'll be playing Roblox. If you want to join me one day, you probably don't. I won't tell you my username. I let this sit out for an hour and 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pop that on right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get our cutter cookies. Oh, let me tell you guys, I have a topic. My phone. My phone is a catastrophe. Okay? I literally use it like every day. Like sure, I dropped it in water once. It was fine for like 2 weeks. I don't know why it's acting up now. Like, I tried to listen to music earlier on YouTube, and it kept taking me to like my subscriptions, pressing random videos, searching random things, and I would like, you know, like when you like double click like that, it like goes back. It kept doing that until I was at the beginning of the video. I was like, whoa, rude. It could be a ghost. So I cut out all the little flowers. We have our mini division, of course. As you know, they are a thing. Mini division tribe. So I put it on a parchment tray, and now I don't have the teapot towel, so I'm just using a towel. It's the same thing. And we're gonna leave it here for 45 minutes.
No apron?
It's currently 11:22. We let our dough rise. Oh, that's thick. Here's our mini division. Don't forget them. And we're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Get your jam and your knife and your cinnamon sugar prepared. So right now, while it's hot, you want to melt the 1 tablespoon of butter, and you're gonna put it, once you melt it, on top so that it could stick to the cinnamon and sugar. Like that. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Do these look like the ones in the video?
So you basically do that all around the donut. and then pull it around. So I'm gonna do that with a cup, all of them. Actually, not a couple, all of them. And I'll meet you guys back. So see you later. We covered them all in cinnamon sugar. So now we're gonna get our. It's supposed to be a paring knife, but I don't know what that is. So I got a knife and cut a deep thing. Then get your piping bag or a Ziploc bag and then get a round tip, or you don't have to have a tip. Just cut a circle, I guess. Okay, that's how much you need. Okay, we're gonna see where that takes us. Get your first donut and squeeze. See that like little push it gives? Oh shoot, it's oozing out. He's coming back. He wants more. Oh shoot. Stop it. I can't stop it. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I'm scared. If you're not a big fan of jelly, don't put jelly in them. We'll see where that takes us. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Janelle?
What? Okay, this is our finished stack of jelly, donuts, cinnamon sugar. Don't forget the mini division. They're on the outskirts. So I guess it's time to try it. I'm scared.
I mean, pretty good. Oh, really good. I like it.
Really taste the jelly. In conclusion, really good donuts. No frying needed. No oil needed. A lot of waiting, but really good. Well, that's the end of 50% Quarantine Episode 3 on donuts. Well, you gotta like, subscribe, comment. It's 12:15. I started around at 8:19. Okay. I'm Audi's. Audi 2007. What is it? 2007 Audi? Something like that. Audi.
Deuces! Deuces!
Bye-bye.